I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the K&R DIY segment. Today, we're gonna get rid of this thing because, you know, me, big man, with a tiny shower, need more space. So, we picked up the Extendo shower. Add more shower to your space. Evidently, you put this in, and it's like one of those curved things, except it's for RVs where they fold in, and so it'll give you more space this way if you're not using it, but more space in the shower when you're in there. Blah 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 blah. So. Not sure what all you need just yet. We'll get to that, but I know I need this to start with. Slow that bad boy down. Down. Evidently, it comes in multiple pieces. So it'll be like one half here or here. Not sure which way it goes. Oh, I guess it'll be this way. Yep. And then it just extracts. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hope that these were fairly even, which is probably I shouldn't do. Put it right in between it. I'm gonna measure it. If that thing's off, I'm in a lot of trouble. So from the back wall, we're gonna come out with that 23 inches to center. Dang, I got some long screws. Well, lucky enough. Yeah, they don't need to be that long. Huh. That might have been part of the problem. One side was 23 and a half and the other side was 21. That's what happens when you get a cheap tape measure. It won't stay locked in place like it's supposed to. Well, I mean, it seems to work better. Here's the ultimate test. Holy crap! There's so much more room for activities in here. So, cool thing is, I mean, it takes a little second to scoot them across, because now you're going through the angles, but definitely a lot more room in there. It definitely opened up a lot. Definitely opened up a lot. So that's part of it's a score bonus with us. And then you just push one of these sides in and it folds in and it's kind of out of your way. You know? I don't know, I'm kind of digging it. But hey, don't take my word for it. Hey, random stranger walking through my RV for no apparent reason. Would you give us your official opinion on new shower curtain rod thingy that I have installed? Please, entree. Hello, random person.
Move, random person.
I will stand here while you peruse and look upon the new shower curtain rod thingy that has been installed.
Okay. OMG.
We have an OMG.
I will be able to have activities in the shower and not have plastic touching my arm.
Isn't there so much more room for activities now?
Yes, there's so much more room for activities in
So-
the shower.
Not only do you have the K&R thumb of approval, you also have random stranger thumb who is now stuck in the shower.
Wait, I in the R of K&R.
E.
No, great job, bub.
You like that?
Babe.
Good?
Bub.